Hi, and welcome to the Curtain and Blind Company. In this short video, you'll learn how to correctly install your Roman blinds. Your blinds will arrive ready to go, so it's a good idea to first check you have all the parts by identifying them on the instruction sheet provided. Installations can vary slightly depending on your order, so be sure to follow the instruction sheet carefully, and if you have any questions or concerns, please get in touch with our friendly support staff. Firstly, use a pencil to mark where you're going to position the bracket, then drill in the screws to fasten. In most scenarios, the screws provided will be suitable to mount the brackets. However, if you need to fix the blind to a window lintel or into masonry, you may need to source more appropriate screws and wall plugs. Once you've attached the bracket, lift your blind into position. Push the bracket screw through the pre-drilled holes in the headrail of the blind, then apply and tighten the wing nut to secure. Remember, all blinds need to be fitted with a child safety device, so please read the requirements in your instruction sheet. And that's it, beautiful new Roman blinds in no time at all. It really is that easy with the Curtain and Blind Company.